Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji. So in this video, I want to share a Christmas decor haul. The theme this year is going to be blue and white and silver and maybe a hint of purple. So I'm super excited to share this haul with you guys. So without no further ado, let's jump into this haul. So the first items in my Christmas haul are these trees that I picked up at Target. I really love the way these look. They're very simple and modern, and I plan on adding ornaments to these to spruce them up a bit because my theme is blue and white and silver this year. So I'm planning on adding some blue ornaments to these to kind of, blend into the rest of the decor this year. So I really love these Christmas trees. Okay, next up on my list is this garland. This garland I picked up from Wayfair. I love the blue balls on these because my theme, of course, is blue this year. So I decided to pick up the set. I got 2 garlands. One I'm going to place on my TV stand, and another I'm going to place in the foyer. So, I really love the way this looks. It's very simple and elegant and modern at the same time. Okay, next up I did pick up some royal blue throw pillow covers to also match the decor as well. These are suede material. I got these from Amazon. I got a set of 2 for I think I got these for $20. So, which is a steal, and this is 26 by 26. I have large throw pillows on my sofa. So the theme is probably going to be black and royal blue. And then this is going to accent my couch. So I really like the material and the texture of this. That is suede. And suede is always great for Christmas time. And I did pick up this Projector Star from Amazon as well. This I plan on placing, I got things all over me. This I plan on placing on my bar cart to give that that star-like projection on the ceiling, which is gonna add that nice, Christmas time feeling to my home. So I'm super excited to place this on my bar cart, to plug it in so I can see all the projection, the star-like effect on my ceiling, which is going to add that nice, Christmas theme to my home. So I really like this projector as well. I also went ahead and picked up the wreath to match the garlands as well. So like I said, the theme is blue and silver this year. I also like the snow-like effect on the Christmas decor, so it kind of gives it that winter feel as well. So I really love that this wreath also matches the garland set. So I'm gonna place this on my door. I plan on placing this on my front door on the inside. I'm not going to place it on the outside because I don't want anyone taking it. So this is going to look super cute in my foyer as well. I also went ahead and picked up additional garlands. This one I got from Ross for $16.99. I got a set of 2 garlands that I'm going to place on my mirror in the dining room. I think the dining room needed a little bit of sprucing up as well, so I wanted to keep it simple. So I decided to get these garlands to go in the dining room to kind of match the centerpiece that's going to be there as well. So here are a couple of blue and white candy cane I'm planning on hanging on the smaller Christmas trees, which is super cute. So of course it'll blend in and also, coordinate with the rest of the decor as well, because of course my theme this year is blue and white. So this year it's been really, difficult finding blue and white Christmas decor because that is my theme this year, but for some reason all they have in the store is red or green, or it's more like this St. Patty's Day green, which is different, but that's not my theme this year. My theme this year is blue and white. So you know, it was really hard to track down this blue in the store, but I'm super excited to see how everything turns out, of course. So I also picked up some floral to place in my vases on the coffee table and the foyer as well. I picked up these artificial flowers from Marshall's. This I got 3 for $12.99, which is great. I think this is very Christmassy. I think the white is very neutral, so it'll blend in well with the rest of the decor, of course. I also picked up this vase from Ross. I got this one for $8.99. I needed something that was shiny, you know, and that was sparkly as well, because Christmas is all about sparkles, and I like anything that's sparkly, really. I like sparkles, so I think this is going to look great in my living room. And I also picked up a gold one. This I got from TJ Maxx for $8 as well, which is great, but it's perfect for the season. I think Christmas is a great time to bring out all your sparkles, all your crystals. Anything that's glittery is made for Christmas. So I really love the way this vase is. It's like a mercury texture, so it's gonna look super cute in my living room. So I also picked up these Christmas cones from Hobby Lobby. These were 50% off, so I got 3 for $20, which is a steal. So this is more of a grayish, like a blackish grayish color, which I really love. It's very neutral, and of course that has been, you know, like the color of the season. Everything is like a dark graphite black color. So this is more of a graphite color, which I like, which is more neutral and softer as well. And I also like the glitter on here, so it's going to blend in well with my decor this year. And here's the centerpiece I'm going to place on my dining room table. I really love this. This is super sophisticated and elegant at the same time. I don't know how I'm going to decorate these candle holders. I might leave them just like this because it looks so pretty and elegant at the same time. So I wanted to keep my dining table pretty simple, nothing over the top. And then I'm going to add some blue ornaments to this as well. I did pick up some additional ornaments to place on the other decor that I don't have any blue ornaments. So this I'm super excited to place on my table, and I think it's gonna look really cute. So I also picked up these 2 sparkly Christmas trees from TJ Maxx. I got each for $10. I wanted to place something simple on my bookshelf. I didn't know how to decorate it, but I think I might just keep it simple. Just put some Christmas trees there, and that should make it blend in with the rest of the decor in my home. So I wanted to keep my bookshelf pretty simple, and I think this is going to work great in that space. I also did pick up some blue ornaments from Target. These I got for $3 each. I picked up, these are stuck. I picked up some blue and silver ones. So these I'm planning on maybe adding to some of the garlands and maybe the centerpiece for my dining table, or even on my coffee table. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to pick up some additional ornaments to blend in with the rest of my decor as well. So I also ordered some additional ornaments to add to my garlands. I got these blue ones from Amazon. I'm really excited to use these because these are actually the blue ones that I hope, you know, that will match what I have. And these are nice. I'm trying to open it. but these come with like candy shaped ornaments. Like, this is really cute. And then you got some acorn shaped ones, and then you have some, you know, little glittery ones, but these are so cute. And then I also got some purple ones just to add a little pop of extra color. You know, you gotta add that color. But these are cute too. Like, it looks like candy. So here's a purple or pinkish candy colored one. This one is missing a string, so maybe the string fell off. Oops. And then here's some acorn shaped one, and then of course some glittery ones. But I love this color. It's super cute. I think these two together is gonna look really nice in the apartment. So I'm super excited to decorate for Christmas. So this decor tray I got from Home Goods for $30. It's brass and it has a mirrored inside. I wanted to switch it up a little bit for Christmas, so I wanted to get rid of my white tray and use this brass or goldish tray on my coffee table. So I'm super excited to decorate my coffee table with this. And this is also a part of the Tahari home line. So I always love anything Tahari. They have great home decor pieces. So I'm never disappointed whenever I do pick up, you know, one of their home decor items. And then of course I picked up this knot from Marshalls. This I got for $6.99. I think it's super cute and super simple as well. So I just wanted, you know, a little knick-knack on my coffee table, and I think this is perfect. It's super inexpensive and it's so easy to switch out this decor, and it won't, you know, break your budget. So I really like this knot that I got from Marshalls. Then last but not least, I got this snowman from Ross. It is super cute. It also lights up as well. So I think I'm gonna place this in my foyer. So this will give that, you know, nice Christmas theme when you walk into my apartment. I think this is gonna look really nice. It's like a stick textured snowman. It has glitter. It's very simple and cute, and I think this is going to go well in my home as well. So I really like this. I got this from Ross for about $30. I think I got this. Yes, I got this for $30 at Ross, and I think this is a steal because at Target they're selling this for like $100. So for the height of it, I think it's about 2 feet. And for $30, that is a great deal at Ross. So you guys, that's it. That's my Christmas decor haul. The next video you're gonna see is actually my decorate with me for Christmas. So I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I hope to do it in the next couple days because Christmas is around the corner pretty much, because next couple days is Thanksgiving. And it's like we just jump from from fall to Christmas. Like, what about Thanksgiving? Like, can we just enjoy the season? So I'm super excited to share the decorate with me. I'm super excited to share the decorate with me video with you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.